Hi, I'm going to unbox Final Fantasy X/10-2 HD Remaster for the Xbox One. This is in 4K and it's Xbox One X enhanced. Here's what the front cover art looks like. And it's rated T for teen. And now here is the spine. Two of the most celebrated RPGs of their generation now on Xbox One. Enhanced HD visuals for reconstructed graphics for a richer experience. Over 200 hours of gameplay, including the international version of content. Switch between original and remastered music of Final Fantasy X. And it is rated T for mild blood, mild language, suggested themes, and violence. You'll need at least 32 gigabytes to download the game. And let's open it. Wait, one more thing. This game was made by Square Enix back in 2001 and 2007, and the remaster was also made by Square Enix now. So, let's open it. So here is 10/10-2. Very beautiful, minimalistic art. This looks really good. And then we get some advertisements for other games. Final Fantasy IX. Final Fantasy 12, the Zodiac Age. And World of Final Fantasy Maxima. Says it's for the unboxing of Final Fantasy X/10-2 HD Remaster for the Xbox One. Have a great day and bye.